blah 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 blah. No. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a relatively large MoYou London stamping plate haul video for you. As many of you know, I am completely obsessed with MoYou London stamping plate. I actually reached a point where I am running out of storage for these plates, but MoYou London had been killing it this year with their sales, and as I mentioned in my previous haul videos that will be linked in the description box, MoYou London offers $1 to $2 stamping plate sales quite frequently. I am subscribed to their newsletter, so if you would like to make sure that you don't miss out on those deals when they are available, I will recommend you to subscribe, and that way you get notifications right away when these offers become available. All of these plates I purchased with my own money, and again they were anywhere between $1 to $2. Plus they have a $10 flat rate shipping, which brought all of these plates I think to around $2 each, or maybe even less. I think it was such a good steal this time, and the selection they had, I actually didn't have most of the plates, so I tried to place a larger order because starting September I am going on a low buy, and I will be literally budgeting for what I will be purchasing for review purposes. I do hope you will like this whole video. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, I do have more haul videos coming, so if you don't want to miss out on those, then make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. So hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright guys, so I think that's it for this intro. I will show you the close-up to these plates, and if you have any special requests, then just leave them for me in the comment section. I will be happy to use these plates in one of my upcoming nail art tutorial videos. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.